In this video, we will discuss how to connect Gumroad to WordPress. This process is simple, but before going any further, let me tell you one thing. You can't directly connect Gumroad to WordPress, because in Gumroad you will not see any option, but using that you can connect WordPress to Gumroad. So for this, I have a way, and that is what you have to do. Once you will sign in your account in Gumroad, open the new tab, and in the next tab you have to search for gumroad.com/widgets. So remember this address and get access of it. Because in Gumroad you will not see any option widget. What you have to do, scroll down, and here select this option model, and here you can see the code. It's the HTML code of Gumroad. Copy this code. Once the code will be copied, head back to your WordPress, and once you sign account in WordPress, click on this new icon. Once you will click on your new icon, here you have to write the title. Just like I will write it. After writing the title, here click on this plus icon and tap on the option Custom and simply paste the address which you copy from Gumroad. Click on Preview. After clicking on Preview, here you can see Buy on Gumroad. Now, if I will tap on this option, below all the products which I have on Gumroad will be Show. And it's the way by which you can connect it to WordPress.